When I say bananas, you say peppers. And I actually have a confession to make. I just filmed another video very similar to this. I was in fact wearing this exact same camo shirt. I had my hair in the exact same crappy hairstyle, but I did have some more mystery stationery packs. And I just had so much fun opening that other one. It's not like a part 1, part 2 kind of thing, but I will link you guys to that other video in the info box down below, just in case you want to watch it. But I did have more stationery items as part of my latest buy order. And I have been seeing, like, along with these stationery listings, I've been seeing these really cute, it's almost like a photo album, but it's for stationery. Like people who collect these little stationery papers, they just make an album so they can like flip through and look at their collection. And so I started doing that today once I opened the last ones, and I was like, okay, now I have to see what's in the other packs and see like what else I want to put in my little album. So let's just get started. Once again, I got some non-mystery stationery-esque items, including this animal cracker photo album. I recently discovered this brand, which I'm not sure if the brand is on here, but it's called Marks. And there are some of the coolest little photo albums. And I have such a goal lately to actually start printing out some of my pictures again. Instead of just like leaving them in the great digital space, I would actually like to start, having albums to flip through again. So it's magnetic, and I thought this was just so interesting. I also bought a small listing for 3 partially used notepads, but you guys, it's almost like this listing was made specifically for me because it had a ghost and a frog. These are like 2 things that I love. How hilarious is this ghost though? You can be happy. And it's literally just a ghost saying, you can be happy. It's kind of falling apart, but that's okay because I'm planning on actually taking a lot of the sheets out anyway. So I think there are 4 different ghost paper designs in here. And I thought that these would be fun to test like some of our black gel pens and markers on, because there was black paper in here, dark paper in here. This is the last design here, but how adorable is that? And then the frog, I think that this character is maybe called Snap Walker. I do not know. He's like from 1998, and he's a San X 1998 character, but I have been on a treasure hunt lately to find items of this little frog. And once again, I think we have 4 different types of paper in here. I mean, look at how cute that is. Oh gosh. Like this is maybe my favorite one with all the frog faces on it. Then is there, yes, here's the 4th design. Very cute. I have no idea what toddling animals is, but they look very cute. And I don't see a date on here either. So I don't know how old these are. What are these? Like butterfly hamsters? They look like they're swimming in teapots. It's actually quite cute. Here's the other design. This is the last design. I don't think there's another one. Oh yeah, there is. Did I show you this one yet? Maybe there's 5 designs in here. Maybe there was supposed to be 5 designs in the other one, but since they clearly have like more pages missing out of them, I don't know. All right, this was another item that I got, and it was a bundle of 2. And I just thought that these were so cute and vintage. It's supposed to look like a super old iPhone. So, oh, look at that. This actually, I don't know if this is like sticker paper or like little post-it notes. I don't know. Oh my gosh, look, it even has like a camera on the back, and I think it says A-phone instead of iPhone. Oh yeah, okay, so it looks like it's a little memo pad, but it's like a text message conversation. And then one of the other designs, oh, there's only 2 designs. This one says Wingstagram. So super old Instagram format. And I thought that was just really cute. You know, like look at the packaging though. There's even like the charging port and the speaker on the bottom. I thought that that was just kind of fun and like retro social media kind of vibes. And then I think this is supposed to look like a Yahoo webpage. And I think this one is gonna have like 4 or 5. What is that? Oh my God, is that supposed to be like Twitter? Yeah, look at how cute this is. Wait, it's like little money and a little envelope you can cut out and fold up. That is adorable. This almost looks like a receipt paper, and I'm not sure what that's supposed to be like. Maybe like an ad or something. On to these two things, which I'm pretty sure they came as a set, but I don't know. Maybe this was 2 separate listings, but let's find out. This is the pretty bulky stationery pile. I don't know how many pieces there are, but look at this right up top. Smiling Sweets. I love these like cutout stationaries. Those are some of my favorites. Oh, there's a matching envelope. Now, I'm not sure I'd want to fold him up and actually use that, but my gosh, look at that. He's an umbrella. Looks like the same brand and everything, but a different character. We have a milk envelope, which I wonder if that came in a set, you know, umbrella pudding milk. Okay, we have another envelope and it says, I'm studying hard. Is that a bird? Maybe it's a rabbit? Oh, look, we have the same creature who's studying very hard. We have a dinosaur that is so cute. Lines on the back, and we have a matching dinosaur envelope, and we have Apple Day. Hello, my friends. It's a fine day. The sun is shining. I feel like that's what's been so fun to get these mystery stationery packs. I said this in the last video as well. I feel like usually in the States you see a lot of like Sanrio vintage stationery and stuff like that, but not so much these like random characters and brands that I've never seen before. Some of these items like have dates and brands on them. So far, I don't see any, but I do just love the oddity. Then we have Animal Amusement Park. Oh my gosh, look at how cute this is. It's actually an envelope, but the little characters and the little envelope flap is actually on the bottom instead of the top. That is very cute. I think this could be Sentimental Circus. Isn't that a brand? That looks like some of these characters that I've seen before, and this looks like, yes, okay, this is Animal Amusement Park again, but they're doing different cute little activities, and we have a matching piece of paper for that envelope. So far, I'm really liking this set where you get like a piece of paper and an envelope that matches. This is adorable. It's like, I almost call these bird. It's bear and bunny characters, and they're like cookies. And then look at how cute this is with the fridge and everything. So this is the matching stationery for that. Then we have Cozy Sleepy Kitten envelope and a matching piece of paper for that. That's so interesting. We're like in the middle of the lines. There's like the giant cat picture. Oh my gosh, yes. Okay, I'm pretty sure this is why I bought this listing. I'm pretty sure I said this in the other video as well, but usually with these mystery stationery packs, they will show you like 1 or 2 pieces, and then the rest like you have no idea. So this like Joe Boxer type t-shirt, paper, and envelope was definitely what caught my eye. Oh my gosh, Dogman's gonna love this. He loves Snoopy. So we have Snoopy envelope, and ooh, we have 2 pieces of paper that look like this for Snoopy and 1 that. We have some Disney paper. Ooh, Disney classic characters. How fun. Then Thumper is on the back. And so I guess this is all the classic characters sets. Oh, Tinkerbell. Very cute. Then we have another envelope design for the classic characters and several sheets of paper this style. Well, very cute. I feel like each of these has been different. All right, this is another character that I started seeing a lot. I don't know what their name is. I think they're meant to be like an orange, obviously, or maybe, well, a mandarin is an orange. But yeah, I think they're super cute. So we have 2 sheets of paper in that style. And then I really love this style of paper. It feels like a grocery bag. And then we have, ooh, the paper even feels like that as well. 2 sheets that match that envelope. Okay, we have this, which looks like a monkey and a duck together. Very cute. Or maybe a chick. And then 2 pieces of paper that match that. And oh, this is the candy. I actually really like those. I forget what they're called, like mountains maybe? Strawberry mountains? But that is so cute. I've never seen this character before either. They almost kind of look Tamagotchi-esque, but that's really adorable. I know there's like Pocky stationery and I would love to find that because that's a treat that I love quite a bit. So this has French flags and black cats on it. That is very cute. 2 sheets of paper that match that envelope. And we have the same character again. Y'all, that kind of makes me want a Subway sandwich. 1 envelope like that and 2 sheets of paper that match that style. Oh my goodness. Cafe. Look at these teddy bears. I also love this kind of stationery where like very clearly there's like real photos mixed in with the graphics. Like, look at that. That's definitely a real item that they then photographed and turned into stationery. We have 1 more page of that. And then, oh, look, it's the French cat again. Another style. Oh, this is like a map. That's cute. Y'all can see the map design more here. We have 2 pieces of paper. I feel like this is a very well thought out bundle. We have this. Oh, look, it's a strawberry ice cream cone. Here's the cone. Here's the swirly ice cream with the strawberry toppings. At first, I did not really know what I was looking at. Big Mouth Secret of Flavor. Look at that paper. That is quite hilarious. Oh, there is 2 here. I was like, it feels like there's 2. It's because there is. French fried potatoes, Big Mouth. There is a reason for good taste. I quite like this one as well. Very cute. Okay, then we have 2 sheets of lightly printed French fry paper. This is very cute as well. Very cute mushroom is literally what this character is called. Very cute mushroom. What is he saying? Good afternoon. How are you? I'm a little mushroom boy. You don't say. Sunday Fine Park. When do you feel happiness? The weather is fortunate on Good Sunday. When is happiness felt? We have Existential Bee up here. Oh, look, we at least have 1 very cool mushroom piece of paper. Love that. Ooh, look, I wonder if this goes to the dinosaur paper or the dinosaur paper and envelope we saw in the very beginning, because this is like an address sticker, but it just has a dinosaur on it. Oh no, look, I bet it goes to this. Look at that. That's so interesting. There's like a window there. Oh no, this is a totally different anteater character. We have 3 glossy anteater pieces of stationery that go with this envelope. And then we have anteater paper. Ooh, this feels like very nice. I wonder if this is like fabric paper because it has that like fabric kind of essence to it. I think we tried fabric paper in another stationery video and I kind of recognize that same feel. Okay, I have no idea who these characters are, but there is a frog on it, so I'm quite happy about that. 2 pieces of paper that match that. Oh, it says Animal Club. Okay. Ooh, we have a vellum envelope. Y'all, once again, so many high school memories with this stationery stuff. I was just so fascinated with vellum paper in high school. I'm assuming that goes with this fox paper. 2 pages of that. Another vellum envelope and 2 pages of green bear paper. Yeah, I don't know. There used to be not stationery stores, but scrapbooking stores. That was like my favorite place to go when I was in high school. And I feel like I just discovered like vellum paper at that point. And so I like literally, I wrote letters on vellum paper. I scrapbooked with vellum paper. I tried to do school assignments on vellum paper, but I feel like it's not as trendy as it once was. What is this? Beans. Beans themed paper. I wish some of these things had dates on them. It does have copyright, but it doesn't say when it came out. Oh my God, I thought this was torn. There's literally a bean cut out of the top of the bean paper. We we have Tom and Jerry, which this is a character I see all the time on various Bai listings. I guess Tom and Jerry is still like really living it up in Japan. I feel like Tom and Jerry is not really like a big thing here in the States, but maybe I'm just missing out. Didn't they do a Tom and Jerry movie like a couple years ago? They kind of were like trying to bring Tom and Jerry back. I don't know how successful they were with that mission. We have more Snoopy paper, this time Snoopy and very adorable Woodstock. And we have two different types of paper for Snoopy here. It's like Snoopy, Woodstock, and fruit. We have Mogu 2 Pig. Who is that? Oh my god, he's eating chocolate and he has a runny nose. How endearing. And we have, it looks like 2 pieces of chocolate pig paper. Chocolate at the top and it says Mogu Pig at the bottom. We have more Tom and Jerry envelope and more Tom and Jerry paper. Oh my god. I have got to give this to my mom who loves Topo Gijo. Y'all, this is like, I would love to know if watching this video knows who Topo Gijo is. And lo and behold, we have 2 pages of Topo Gijo paper. I think Topo Gijo was like on was it the Ed Sullivan show? Y'all, that's like even before my time. We have Rilakkuma. I love like King Rilakkuma. And we have Rilakkuma the 5th anniversary. I wonder what year this is from because I feel like Rilakkuma has been around for quite a while now. And ooh, this is really pretty too. Okay, we have another totally clear envelope and inside it's bread paper. It's just one piece folded, but it's breads and cinnamon rolls. Oh, look, but we do have 2 other pieces of paper that go with this home bakery. And it has all of these cute little bread dishes on the top. Oh, look, this kind of looks like the same dinosaur that label maybe goes to. That's like, once again, that nice like cotton feeling paper. And then we have 2 blue sheets of like thick, nice feeling paper. Blue with dinosaurs on it. I love this shade of blue. Is this turquoise teal? I don't know. Okay, this is quite interesting because it's almost like this has popped off of the envelope to from. Oh my god, look, is he an eel? He kind of looks like an eel. This also says address name. That's like a clear, is it vellum? Oh my gosh. And then polka dot paper. Oh my god. Okay, can y'all see that? It's almost like money. Like it has words like embedded in the paper. You know, if you like look at a $20 bill and you can see like the strip inside of it, that's how that is, but there's some kind of words in there that I can't quite. Oh, something bond. 25% cotton. Oh my god. You guys, I can read that. I thought that this kind of stuff was fabric paper. Oh, that's the end. All right, you guys, because I feel like I'm losing my voice and because this video is undoubtedly quite long already, I'm gonna hold on to this small packet because I think there's equally as many items in here. I just think it's smaller, like stickers and smaller memos and stuff, but I do have some more paper pads to look at as well as this, so I feel like that could even be a whole other episode. But yeah, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today, and until I see you guys again, which is going to be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!